These are crispy fried enoki mushrooms. Golden, crunchy, and incredibly satisfying. This is my favorite way to cook enoki. Let me show you how to make it. First, give the enoki a quick rinse and shake off any excess water. Then slice them like this. Now let's make the frying batter. In a bowl, add starch, flour, baking powder, salt, 5 spice powder, egg, and some water, and mix everything well. Adding a little oil at the end makes the batter puff up and turn crisp. Time to fry the enoki. Dip them in the batter and let the extra drip off. This way, they will come out crispy without being greasy. Heat the oil to about 150 degrees. See that sizzle? Once you heat the hot oil, everything changes. They turn golden, puff up, and become light and crunchy. If you love crispy snacks, this might surprise you. They were just as satisfying as meat, maybe even more addictive. When the color is golden brown, take them out. Sprinkle some chili cumin powder, and the flavor is amazing. Serve them with a cold Coke, and your day is perfect. Easy to make. Give it a try. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.